Zhuzhou Richmond Intelligent Technology Company Limited is a specialized company engaged in the research, design, manufacturing, installation, and delivery of eco-friendly, intelligent hot-dip galvanizing production line. The company relies on more than 30 years of hot-dip galvanizing production management experience, focusing on the research and design of environmental HDG, intelligentized HDG, and worry-free HDG. It fully utilizes principles of industrial engineering to plan and design production line layouts, aiming to achieve production line safety, efficiency, environmental friendliness, intelligence, and worry-free operation targets. Operators follow the galvanizing process requirements and use automatic elevators to hand the workpieces to be galvanized. After operators log into the Richmond Hot Dip Galvanizing Production Management System and input production information into the system, the production line starts the automatic feeding operations. Firstly, the automatic control system initiates the automatic overhead crane, which picks up the workpieces that have been hung on the elevator. It then automatically transports them to the feeder shuttle. The side door of the enclosure opens, and the feeding shuttle automatically conveys the workpieces into the enclosure, positioning them for gripping, and then closes the side door while opening the elevator door. Inside the enclosure, the number 1 RGB retrieves the workpieces from the gripping station for degreasing, rinsing, and acid pickling. After the workpieces undergo automatic degreasing and acid pickling, the number 2 RGB retrieves them from the acid bath and places them in the rinsing tank after reducing excess chemicals. Number 3 RGB retrieves the workpieces from the rinsing tank for pre-galvanizing treatment. The pre-processing enclosure adopts negative micropressure control technology, and real-time negative pressure status is displayed online. When the doors to enter and exit the enclosure are opened, the enclosure automatically starts high-frequency operation. When the second exit door opens, the RGB transfers the workpieces to the exit station in preparation for unloading. When materials are being unloaded from the enclosure, the side entrance door opens, and the galvanizing RGB enters the unloading station in the enclosure to retrieve the materials, and then it closes the side door, opening one door. The RGB extracts the workpieces and transfers them out of the enclosure, while simultaneously closing the door. Waiting workpieces enter the galvanizing automatic circulation area. Materials leaving the enclosure are inspected in the inspection area for pre-galvanizing confirmation, and the galvanizing process is initiated. The galvanizing inlet door opens, and the materials are automatically transported to the upper part of the hot dip galvanizing bath, ready for galvanizing after turning. Finish dip galvanizing. First, a deslagging operation is performed, with the side exit door being raised for manual deslagging. Once the deslagging is complete, the process closes. The workpieces are lifted upward from the zinc pot. Simultaneously, the side exit door descends, allowing the workpieces to exit from the side of the zinc pot. The plated parts drop down at the same time during the operation, until the plated parts enter the cooling tank, while the discharge side door is closed, and the passivation operation is completed automatically after cooling. After passivation, the workpieces are hoisted by the RGB to the discharge conveyor and transported to the unloading station. They are then manually transferred to the unloading elevator for final unloading. Meanwhile, the RGB vehicle automatically enters the next galvanizing cycle. The production line is equipped with process support equipment and environmental protection equipment, which are concentrated in the production workshop environmental equipment placement area. This includes fume bag filter, integrated equipment for automatic rinsing water treatment, flux regeneration equipment, scrubbers, and automated equipment for acid waste treatment.